Now let's say that you want to add more sections on this page. Go to this left menu and click on Add Section button. You'll find dozens of different sections that you can use on this page. For example, I want to use this collapsible content on my page, so I will click on it to add it on this page. Next, I can use this section as an FAQ section. So, I will change the heading to FAQ. Next, when you click on it, you'll see these options on the left side. You can add your questions in the heading part, and then add your answers in this raw content part. Next, I will select this entire section, and then I will change the color of this section. Alright, I have also added some content in this FAQ section. Now, I will add some more sections to this page. So, I will click on this Add Section button. This time, I will use this video section. If you have a video related to your products or brands, then you can use this section too. Here, I will remove this video heading. Next, I can upload my own video here. Or I can also use a YouTube video for this part. You only need to paste the YouTube video link here, and the video will be added here. You can also add a cover image on top of this video. You can use Canva to design a cover image too. I've already created a cover image for this part, so I will simply add it here. Now, whenever someone clicks on this play button, the YouTube video will get started. Next, I will also make this section full width, as it will look much more professional. I will also remove the top and bottom padding. Lastly, I will select this video section and place it below the featured collection section. Alright, now let's preview this home page in full screen mode. First up, we have this image banner with a button. Next, we have our best sellers. Next, we have the video section that we added recently. Next, we have the About Us tab, testimonials, new arrivals, and the FAQ section. This store is looking even better than most of the premium stores out there. All of this was possible thanks to Canva and the trade theme. Alright, now I will go to the top right and then click on this Save button to save all the progress we've made so far. Next, we're going to design our products and collection pages. On your Shopify store, click on Products on the left menu. Before designing your product page, it's important that you add all of your products into your store and make sure that you provide all the necessary info about your product. Most importantly, you need to focus on your product description, images, and pricing. Apart from that, make sure to have a look at the meta fields section. I will show you how to use these meta fields on your product page. I will mention my product materials and care instructions on this field, as I am going to use it on my product page. Alright, now I will click on this little eye icon here, which will take me to the Shopify product page template. Here, I can customize the entire look and feel of this store. Right now, the product page is looking very basic. We only have the product details here, and then we have some product suggestions. Plus, it doesn't have any ongoing offers or discounts. Adding these things can turn your product page into a money-making machine, and I will exactly show you how to do it. But first, I want to make some little changes on this layout. For example, you can see that there are no call to actions here. So I will go to the left menu and click on Add Block. Then I will add this Buy button option in this page. Next, I can also place this button right below the product description. Next, I will again click on this Add Block option, and this time, I will select this quantity selector. I will place this block right above the product description. Lastly, I will again click on this Add Block option, and then I will select this icon with text block. This is a great place to show the common offers of your store. On the left-hand side, you'll see the editing options. First, I want to change this heart icon, so I will click on this, and then select a different icon here. Next, I will change this heading text to Limited Edition, and I will repeat this same process to change these other icons too. Alright, we've changed all three icons now. I can also change the layout of this section, but for now, I will keep it horizontal. And now this section is looking much better than before. You can also select this entire section, and then go to this color scheme option on the left. From here, you'll be able to change the colors of this section. For my products, the gray background is looking good, so I will keep it this way. Next, if you want to delete any block from this page, you can simply select it and then click on this trash icon. Next up, we have these three collapsible rows. These can be used to highlight additional information about your products. I will use them to mention my product's materials and care instructions. And I'll remove the third one from the page. Okay, now I will click on this material option. Then, on the right side, you'll see this row content. Here, click on this little icon, and then select the product option from the drop-down. Next, select the information that you want to show here. For now, I will select this fabric metafield. Then, I will also select the colors metafield for this section. Okay, now if you go to this collapsible row, you'll see that the materials of this product are showing here. Now let's say that you want to change these information. To do that, you need to go back to this product details and then go to the category metafields option. These metafields are created by Shopify AI, and we are going to use these details on our Shopify store. Now, you can simply make your changes here, and these changes will be visible on your product page. For example, I will add these fabrics in this metafields, and then I will save these changes. Next, I will go to the Shopify editor and refresh this page. And as you can see, the changes we made are updated here. That's how metafields are used in Shopify. If you want to learn more about metafields, then I have created a separate video on this topic. Make sure to watch that video for more details. The link is given in the description. Alright, I have also added the care instructions on this page. And with this step, our basic store structure is complete.